Hello, right now I'm gonna quickly show you all box accessories of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. So let me open up the box, and right here we can find the phone, but I will put this one aside, and on the lid, inside this lid right here, we can find the box with accessories. So let me take this one out, and alright, we can open it right here in the bottom, and here we simply pull out this thing right here, and we have all the accessories. So what we can find here is the quick start guide. We have the warranty card, and we also can find some other papers, but it's not really that important. And we can also find the pin for the SIM tray and the charging cable, two-sided Type-C, as you can see. Yeah, for charging. And we cannot actually find here anything like the earphones included or the charging adapter, the charger itself. So yeah, that's basically all the box accessories of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Thank you.